In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Facebook feed plugin on your Squarespace website. Adding a live feed is a great way to keep your visitors engaged and informed by displaying your latest posts directly on your site. Let's dive in step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account, head over to the login page, and if it's convenient, click Continue with Google. This will quickly connect your account if your Squarespace site is linked to your Google credentials. Otherwise, just log in with your Squarespace username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Click on the website where you want to embed the feed. From the dashboard, click Edit to open the editor mode. This is where you can make all changes and add new elements to your pages. Next, navigate to the page and section where you want the Facebook feed to appear. Click Add Block, which lets you insert new elements into that section. In the block menu, select Code. Now click the pencil icon inside the code block to open the editor. This is where we'll paste the Facebook embed code. If you don't already have the code, visit Facebook's developer site. There, you can generate the embed code for your page feed. Copy it carefully and then paste it into the code block editor in Squarespace. Before saving, it's a good idea to double check the code. Make sure there are no missing characters or errors. Even a small mistake can prevent the feed from showing correctly. Once you're satisfied, click Apply, then save your changes. Next, use the preview option to see how the feed will look on your live page. Check that it fits the section correctly, loads posts properly, and looks good on both desktop and mobile. A quick tip, sometimes the feed may need a little adjustment to match your site's layout. You can resize the block or adjust the width in the editor to make it blend seamlessly with your design. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Facebook feed plugin on your Squarespace site. It's a simple way to add dynamic, up-to-date content that keeps visitors coming back. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.